Hello and welcome to News Time FPL.
College.
This is your
पहला सेंटेंस में आपको बैंटर मिल गया सॉरी हिंदी में बोल
you country fellow. Use English. We want worldwide audience.
yes we need more views without clickbait titles
Please subscribe to the channel. That's our humble request. And also don't click off the video, you stupid pricks.
yes 95% of the people who watch the video haven't subscribed to our channel.
99% of the people who watch this video have already clicked off.
And this is a very known fact.
If you don't want to watch the video, then you can just contribute to the UPI ID that we have given in the description, and then you can just fuck.
गया
Demonetization already.
We have also made an Instagram ID just for
It will appear on your screen right now. Hopefully. If not, good for you. Anyways,
we will be giving the description because our editor might like the skills.
yes,
So you can.
yes. We are poor. We don't have money to hire a good editor.
yes.
So please subscribe to our.
Atmanirbhar.
So please subscribe to our channel so that you can get quality content and replace all of us. So,
Yes. Please subscribe to our OnlyFans also.
We do weekly content there.
Anyways.
Anyways, let's start recording.
No more country fellows. We have already started recording. We have finished. I think 5 minutes of video already.
I hope the intro was not that cringe. So I hope you click off now instead of
Don't
just
click off now. Don't
just
click
10
off now.
You clicked off in 10 seconds the last video. I hope the intro this time was longer. We could get more views.
Anyways, back to the topic. So now that the first game week is over, we are all here. Most of us are contemplating our decision and our will to live. Some have
Yes.
already quit FPL.
Yes.
Twitter has been on a rampage.
Yes. I have
Will
already
we-
brought
yeah.
the news from Amazon. Link in bio.
Yeah, link in description. You can use our affiliate links so that we get paid. We can hire an editor, get better mic, etc.
So in case if Amazon is not delivering to your location, you can contact me.
I'll come and do the
you just
deed.
have to-
He'll come and do the
you-
deed.
Yeah, you just have to contribute to the UPI ID given the description.
Okay, fine. First week done. Too much stuff. Too much controversy. Chelsea doing a banter. Salah being Salah, not Muhammad.
Vardy being
Just
Vardy.
yeah, Vardy being no comments. Just overall fantastic game week
Fantastic.
for not for us, definitely not for us. At least not for me.
Especially for Arvind because he captained Robertson.
Great, good job.
I was hoping that wouldn't come up, but that's okay.
I just like to bring up last week's clip when I said this is a big mistake.
In the chat for Arvind, guys.
If you want to see him crying
My
next week
question-
on Facecam,
I-
please
I-
subscribe
I'll be
now.
happy-
You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. So that
See, honestly, I would be happy if I see even a single F in the chat. Okay, so
single F, not double F.
Increase
Yeah.
comments ninja technique.
Anyways.
yeah. So let's get back.
Yes.
what
Back
we are
back
talking
to back to the game week review. All the games apart from the Manchester boys are done. I don't know what Manchester boys are doing, but they will be doing it next week.
One of the Manchester teams played a friendly with Aston Villa in the Zebra kits, and they lost.
Yeah. What a big surprise.
To be
They
honest,
they lost when the kit was already announced.
Yes.
To be fair, they lost it even before the season started, so let's not go too hard on them. And
If you want
let's just
Manchester
lower our
United,
expectations.
if you want Manchester United to do well, I will provide you with Ed Woodward's address. You can go meet him in person. Ask him to buy Sancho. We are also
Sancho.
opening a Patreon so that we can provide this great cause
We-
of buying Sancho and Gareth Bale.
If you want to buy Jadon Sancho, you can contribute to the UPI ID that is given in the description.
Typical Indian scammer.
Okay, one by one. Let's go to the matches. We'll review. So one thing I noticed this week is that there are no draws, just winners, losers, and Chelsea.
And
Yes.
Chelsea. Yeah, you had
Chelsea are
to
a different level.
mention that. Yeah,
Chelsea needs a special place in this table. There needs to be one to 19, and then Chelsea. League position Chelsea.
Good position, Chelsea. That's right. Yeah, I feel sorry for the kid sponsors.
Yes. They are staying true to the sponsorship. They scored 3 goals. None
Yeah,
of them were from
and
strikers.
I'm guessing whenever they concede, they will be conceding in
Threes. Yeah, they will concede
So-
3,
so-
6, 9, 12, whatnot.
Kepa 15.
3 yellow cards.
Yes.
Achha, going back to the matches, I am trying to find the results table. Okay. All right, we have the games. So first match, I don't know why it is showing me Chelsea, but we'll review Chelsea first because they deserve that special attention that they wanted. Every single Chelsea fan has been on Twitter till yesterday. After that, they decided to unanimously uninstall Twitter.
Yes.
We will rant about that later, but it was very nice.
Yes.
All right,
Bruno
so
Fernandes lives rent free in their head.
guys, did anyone actually watch the game?
I watched it and I regret it. I remember talking about this with Arvind. He really said to me, "Ki I think it's better to sleep than this." And they actually went to sleep.
No,
And I felt he should have done the same.
the worst part is Brighton played better.
Brighton really played better. They were very good in possession. And as expected, Lallana was injured in the first half and he went off.
Seriously. Is it
Their biggest
actually? Is that actually true?
Yes. He went off.
Arey, nahi. Oh no! Great start to the season, Brighton.
Yes, very great. Kepa
So
was being Kepa.
Yeah, I don't think we should expect anything from Kepa.
Expect
They-
the unexpected. He's a
Yes,
player
they are-
manager. Okay.
Yes, he's actually a
He's
manager.
a manager come player, so there are a lot of responsibilities on it.
So that's why to focus on his managerial career, Chelsea are bringing a new keeper this weekend.
this weekend, yeah.
19-year-old guy from Rennes.
Rennes
I
AC.
Rennes, yes, Rennes.
Rene AC. Okay. Too much time. We have already spent like half hour a day explaining Chelsea. We'll go to the first game of the week, which is Arsenal and Fulham. I have zero idea. This is the only game I watched. After that, I clicked off of football. I had enough. That was
Maybe
enough
because
football.
of the camera angle.
Oh my god!
I had to point that out. I did not feel like I was watching a PL match.
I felt like I was on the stadium myself. Great work, guys. Great work.
On the balcony. Great tickets, by the way. So we had a good view of the ground. Like I can see the blades of the grass, but not the
ISL
players.
was
So
so better.
And Fulham,
that's too much. But that's fine.
I
Fulham,
the first goal, right? The first goal which Arsenal scored. I watched Willian just stand there and in front of the goals, like 2 yards out, and
He was
looking
thinking.
where the hell is the ball, and somehow somehow he's the man of the
Somehow,
match.
yeah, and somehow he got that assist.
No, he
Yes.
didn't get the
Yeah,
for FPL maybe yes, but
FPL, yes, FPL, yes.
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So assists like this, they sound unfair, man. Like
No,
he
it's
didn't
as
touch the ball.
FPL. It's not
Yeah, in
unfair.
FPL.
It's
Yes,
not
yes.
unfair. Nothing is unfair. It's
It,
more points for everyone.
I do feel bad because I don't have Willian.
Your fault, mate.
uh,
You don't believe in Willian.
the very first match of the season, Fulham did us dirty by benching Mitrovic. Around
Great
1.6
work, guys. Great
million.
work.
Great
Thank you.
work.
I just sold Mitrovic and got Wilson like 5 minutes before the deadline.
Move of the season.
Biggest move. But I also sold Pedro Neto and got Vinagre.
Thanks to me.
Thanks to this prick. And Vinagre didn't even play. So
That was jokes, yeah.
yeah, enough of Arsenal.
Yeah.
It's already 14 minutes of recording wasted. I'll have to edit all of this into 2 minutes. Crystal Palace, Southampton, boring game, lackluster, useless. Southampton pricks.
Ings didn't do anything for the FPL teams. Sadly.
Ings,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, but
Ings.
to point something out in this game,
Uh-huh.
the goalkeeper was very, at its best.
Okay, I'll just go back to the stats. So I am like on my screen. I have the stats, and Southampton had 71% possession. They had double the passes, double the touches, double the tackles, less clearance, obviously, less corners, no offsides, no yellow cards. They had one red card, which is I don't know. Actually, I didn't watch the game. Kya hua? What happened in that particular game? That who got a red card and why?
I don't think so.
It,
Someone-
it shows a red card here. Okay, apparently FPL Premier League doesn't know what they're talking about because in the timeline it does not show a red card.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember a red card in that game.
Red card is
Fantastic work, Premier League. Fantastic work.
inside Ole Gunnar Solskjaer face. Fantastic.
Yeah, Southampton had 9 shots, 5 on target. So sad. I don't know who took
Yeah.
the 9 shots because obviously after the first great game of Arsenal, I have zero idea how they got this clean sheet, but they got it, and I got 14 points of Gabriel. That's all I care about. Somehow
The
it
next
worked.
game. Next game is madness, yaar. Liverpool versus Leeds.
Greatest game of all time. Somehow Liverpool used all their transfer budget on the you know what?
Yes.
It worked. Trent Alexander actually scored an own goal.
Yes, but it was offside.
It was offside. I don't know. He knew it was offside and scored it for fun, or he wanted to show off to Alisson how to head a ball.
Van Dijk even scored.
That okay, to be
After
honest, that
he-
hurt a bit, but it was funny. So I'll let you off the hook this time. Let's move on.
Leeds were very intense in their counter attack, and it's a joy to watch apparently. And their coach,
Yeah, it was really unexpected from Leeds to put up a fight that they had against Liverpool. Like to be honest, even Jurgen Klopp wasn't expecting that kind of attack from a team that just got promoted from the Championship. So to be honest, to be a Liverpool fan, even I wasn't expecting such kind of resilience from the Leeds team. But yeah, it was a fun game to watch.
Liverpool played Norwich last year as the first game, and they almost got beaten up. So Liverpool should expect this, but probably Klopp doesn't watch our videos, or apparently doesn't watch his own games from last season. So whatever.
For a
But
matter
somehow
of
they have this fixture list and they get all the fixtures lined up in such a way that they end up winning the league. I don't call any sort of
Hitting moment.
big oofs all around in
On
this
the
game.
other hand, Arvind also didn't expect Salah to score 3 goals because he rarely passes, but 2 of them were penalties. So it's
But
Fourth
in-
minute
in-
penalty.
in my-
Fourth minute.
in my defense, yeah, it's not even worth mentioning. Let's move.
Uh,
in my defense.
as I mentioned, Salah did score the goal, as he likes to keep the trend, but
Yes.
not Trent himself.
And
So he scored 3, which is very very fun to watch. As someone who doesn't own Salah,
yes,
you
yes,
can kindly fuck off.
yes,
You-
yes. I
you
remember
cunts.
Arvind before the. I remember Arvind
You
before the
pricks.
deadline saying ki I don't have any Liverpool
Yeah.
attacker. I hope it doesn't hurt me.
Yeah,
Great
exactly.
work, great work. I've already moved on. I'm done with Liverpool. Let's go to Newcastle, the greatest team of all time.
Legendary team.
Legendary team. Already scammed me by playing Andy Carroll, but I don't care. Wilson played, he scored, and somehow that worked out. I also apparently I have 2 Newcastle players in my team.
Saint Maximin.
Alan
Saint-Maximin
Saint
and
Maximin. Yes.
Callum Wilson.
Yes.
That's the two things we have in common, Pranav.
Acha, I was not even aware of that. But
Mhm.
great work. Great work, guys. Great work all around. 2-0, clean sheet. I was
Clean
actually considering buying a Newcastle defender because their defense is kind of sorted. Kind of.
Better, way better than before.
Yeah. But then West Ham also had 15 shots, same as Newcastle,
Mm.
and had more shots on target and somehow still lost.
So guys, Pranav's opinion on Newcastle is totally biased because he plays as a manager of Newcastle United in his FIFA game. So let's
Please subscribe to Keemstar. You thought I was going to plug my channel.
I will also add
Tried it,
the
bitch. No.
channel in the
Cut.
description.
I'm cutting off
You can
anything.
also you can also find his channel in the featured channels on the
Oh,
channels tab.
Acha, I was expecting him to plug his blog, but
That will be done in the email IDs which I've already collected.
anyways, next game. We don't have time. We are already running out of time.
Yes.
So next game, Leicester. Again, another great game by value added
Vardy.
reduction VAR D
Yes.
to see the least. Vardy scored 2 penalties as expected. No one, I think I have no idea what the game was. Obviously, again, if you watch an Arsenal game, you don't want to watch the rest of the league. That's it. You have enough football for one day, for 1 week. That's it.
West Bromwich had only 1 shot on target.
Yeah, West Brom had 1 shot on target, total of 7 shots. As expected, they are going down. There no way West Brom is staying up. Moving on, the greatest shithouse I've ever seen. I watched this game passively, and
So
as soon as I tuned in, there was a goal.
This was too OP.
And, somehow Tottenham managed to bottle the first game of the Premier League and managed to break Jose Mourinho's
Streak.
managerial record of never losing a opening game somehow.
Credits to Spurs.
Cards. I prefer really not to speak. If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble, and I don't want to be in big trouble.
Well, there were
For doing this.
Bottle job, guys. Well done.
And you have a wallpaper worthy quote from Mourinho after the game, as usual.
Uh,
We will describe in
so-
another section of us.
Do you want to say anything about Dele Alli?
He was subbed off in halftime. People are saying it's a tactical change, but he didn't actually play well. I feel that's the reason he was subbed off.
Yeah. So to be honest, we shouldn't expect anything from him, right?
Yes, because
The only thing we should be expecting from him is a couple of celebrations, and that too for his teammates' goal. So
that's the most we can expect from him.
yeah, so expecting goals and assists from him is, I guess, too much to ask.
He just copies
Also,
Lingard. He's just a fake Lingard. That's all he is.
yes,
Fake
yes,
Lingard, wannabe Lingard.
Annabelle Lingard. Also, Richarlison would have scored almost 3 to 4 goals, but he missed. But I think he
As
would be a
usual.
great, yes, as usual. Dominic Calvert-Lewin did a good header to score the goal.
So,
And
do you
James
think?
Rodriguez,
So, my first question: do you think Everton has what it takes to do well this season? Should I bring back DCL and Richarlison like last season masterclass? And would you recommend any of these players now?
I think,
I think it's too early to say anything about Everton because Everton is like one of the team which is unpredictable. Like they can surprise you with a fabulous performance one night, and then the other night they might bottle it up. So I would
Just
say
like
let's wait for a
Spurs.
yes,
I would say let's wait for a few more game weeks and then let's see what we are in for.
James
But you know,
Rodriguez was a class act. He made very good chances. Sad Richarlison couldn't finish off, but Richarlison and James Rodriguez are 2 players to look out for. If you're looking for defense, then Luka Dean is one option. He did good. One moment from the match is they took a set piece a few yards closer to the goal.
oh yeah, great
Yeah.
game.
Great game. Mourinho was pissed because he saw that and no one said anything.
Yeah, and that is the one that got the goal, right?
Yes, that's the moment Everton got a goal.
Great look up, Moreno. Great work, VAR. Great work, referees. Moving on to Wolves versus Sheffield, the closest game you expected it to be very close, but Wolves
They closed
doing
it off in
Wolves.
6 minutes. Goals in 6 minutes.
6 minutes, six minutes. Seriously, I just saw this. What is this, man? And thank you, Suraj Nair. I'll just link his Instagram so that you can go and give him hate for telling me to get rid of.
Link my design Instagram. I will get some follows at least.
So thanks to him, I got rid of Pedro Neto
Yes.
and got Saint Maximin, and I lost assists as well as save
You
points.
also bought in Vinagre.
I also bought in Vinagre.
I think you lost much more than assist. You lost faith in Suraj. So
I never had faith in Suraj.
FPL fraud. Oh.
Biggest fraud of all time. But it was still a close game, at least on the stat sheets.
Yes, the second half, Sheffield actually turned up quite well. First half was entirely Wolverhampton domination, and actually Jimenez also hit a post. Arvind, any comments on that?
no comments. I did not watch the game.
Alright, so we are going to revisit the greatest match of all time, which is Brighton and Chelsea.
Yes.
Chelsea somehow won. They won't be able to keep it up. And thank you, Chelsea, for already getting Werner injured and ruining my FPL for the next considerable future.
Yes.
So yeah, that pretty much covers the PL review. So now that my PL is ruined, let's move to the next week planning. So what are you guys planning? So I have I'm just opening up I got Arvind's team first, so we'll review his team.
Great. We are starting from the bottom, I see.
Oh
Suraj,
Big Goof
fuck you.
movement. Big Goof movement part 2.
44 points, overall ranking as 3.3 million out of
Great
the
captaincy pick.
out of the 6.2 million, so he's basically at 50% rank.
I think his bench performed better.
Yeah. Oh my god. Any comeback from this?
I would say I'm just beginning. So
Yes,
Actually,
Suraj,
Robertson got points. He got 4
he
points
got an assist. That's a good thing. But Van
somehow.
Dijk also got points. That's another
so
unpredictable thing.
my picks were right, but
Picks were
leads were
right, yes.
unexpected. So
Yes,
we were ready
expect-
for the points.
Expect the unexpected
yes.
from Liverpool.
Yeah, so I think it was a pretty fair game week for me. Usually I start off.
Yeah, no one cares,
Yeah.
man. Next week. Talk about next week.
Who are you transferring in and transferring out?
No transfers. I guess this is too early to transfer anyone around.
I think by game week 3 you will be taking hits.
Yeah, most probably.
Insert this clip right then, okay?
Yes,
Next game week.
we are saving this clip for game week 3.
Well, Alvin will take out 2 to 3 players and take a -4. Let's see.
All
Let's see
right,
what
all
happens.
right. Let's move on to 55-point gang, which
Yes.
is wait. I think yeah, Suraj got 55 and I got 52. So
Actually, the best thing is when I was checking the table, you had
This-
more players than me play. I was just a few points ahead of you, so I thought obviously you will get ahead, but the last few players didn't go well, I guess.
yes, I have been scammed by Sheffield and
Yes.
Wolves.
Wolves, both of them.
And that was a big mistake, but that is all thanks to Suraj Nair. It will not happen again. But the same, you are in the same boat. You also got scammed by both Sheffield and Wolves, I can see. But again, you have the biggest scammer of them all, Salad.
What a great time for the server to go offline.
Yeah, just when we were reviewing Suraj. So even
Yes.
that's a sign,
So that's a sign.
Sign of things to come. We should not review Suraj.
Is the recording still on?
No.
नसीब क्यों मैं इतना अच्छा गाना नहीं गाया
Start होगा तो बता.
कर दिया बोल.
Okay. So our recording got cut off thanks to Discord. And the
Thank
server
you
also.
again, Discord. Well done, guys. Same. Keep up the energy.
Keep up the energy. Very great.
this
Coming
is
back.
what we expect from Discord.
Some professional level of,
And the best
podcast
the
here.
best part is just our server got outage. I don't know why.
How?
Other servers are working fine.
Perfectly
That
fine.
explains our luck both in FPL and in life.
And in life.
To sum it up,
Yes, to sum it up, that's a t-shirt quote right there.
merchandise, guys.
Merchandise coming at 100,000 subs. So please
Yes.
subscribe with all the fake accounts if you can.
Yes, we have already done that.
We're already like half of it. So
Yes.
yeah.
Going back to our teams.
Yeah, it's on my screen. You can continue with your great team. The only team I can see is Mohamed Salad again and Aubameyang. We have a lot of players in common. We have the
Yes.
Vinagre, we have the Aubameyang, Son, So basically our midfield is same.
Almost same, yeah, almost.
Almost.
But the best part is like Vinegar didn't play, Douglas didn't play. I thought
You
they will
guys
start.
need to think out of the box, man. You just do everything that is in common.
We should captain Robertson, yes.
Yeah, I have Heung-min Son in my midfield. That is thinking inside the box. Yes, that is very correct.
I have already transferred out Son for KDB.
Lucky you have the funds. I don't have the funds.
I had actually planned accordingly. I had kept 3.5 in the bank.
Yeah, same. Then
Yeah,
I got
for this.
dragged into buying Callum Wilson and
Yes. Which was a great pick, by the way.
and Inks. So thank you, Danny Inks, for your great service, wonderful service. It's time to say goodbye.
Who is coming in place of him?
I haven't decided. So we are still reviewing your team.
Okay,
So
okay.
great week. I don't
Great
care about your
defense.
stupid week. I can
Great
already
defense.
see great defense. Whole contribution of 100, 1 and 0 with no values.
Yes, 100 points there, right itself.
Saint
100.
Maximin alone has scored more points than his entire
In my
defense
defense.
plus keeper.
Mitrovic gave me 1 point, which is great. And the
Which is
best
more
part
than
is,
half his defense.
yes, and my bench doesn't even play. So if anyone gets injured or doesn't play, then I'm done. So I
That's
think I
it.
will
Done.
claim
Pack
my
up, pack up
wild
and
card.
leave.
There's no backup. That's very tight. So I have to check that for. And yes, currently I've just done one transfer just after the game week, and actually Sun does have a very good fixture, but I am not sure how he will play. And KDB is
So
one person who I
you
don't want to miss out.
you have transferred Sun for KDB,
Yes,
and they are playing Wolves,
yes, I know
who
that.
closed
I
the
know
game
that.
in 6 minutes.
Yes,
They are
but
basically
I
Team
believe,
FC Portugal.
and except just one player, I guess everyone is from
Ah, yes.
Portugal.
So the only player they could not get was Bruno Fernandes and
Yes,
Cristiano Ronaldo.
yes. Except them both, I think it's the entire Portugal team right now in Wolves.
Yeah, the worst thing, I'll just like to insert a meme here where it's just Connor Cody, the only English guy sitting in front of the entire
Yes, I've
Portuguese
seen
team.
that one. Seen that one. That's great band. It's okay. I think I'm quite happy, except the defense. Egan cheated by getting a yellow card. I thought I will get at least a point, but then he got a yellow card. So 8-0 again. I was like, great. Douglas didn't play. The entire subreddit hyped him up like Vinagre, and both didn't play. So well done,
You made
subreddit.
a big mistake while buying Leeds players, especially defenders.
Yes.
It's okay with midfield and attack, but defense, unless it's
Defense, yeah.
Sheffield United, you can't say anything. Sheffield was also a surprise because they had that Mr. Henderson in defense,
Yes.
which is a big thing.
Another good observation is that all the promoted teams considered exactly 3 goals in their matches, except Leeds, who gave out 4. So that's another thing which
To
says
make up
to
to make
stay.
up for that, Liverpool conceded 3, so that is
Yes.
fine.
Van Dijk has made the most mistakes by an outfield player since last season.
No comments. He apparently he is the greatest defender of all time, but that's fine.
Yes.
Overall ranking of 2.14 million out of the 6 million, which is like top 30%. Well done,
Yeah.
well done. Somehow shithousing points via Salah, so out of the box.
I didn't even captain him.
Yeah. Having Salah and captaining Aubameyang, like
how stupid can one be?
Yes, I think it was better than Captain Robertson, at least Robertson.
Okay, that was a nice one. I didn't see that coming.
Big movement part 3. Coming to Pranav's team.
Yeah. It's a nice touch that you are still having that kit, that you're supporting the greatest team of all time, which is Newcastle United.
Newcastle.
If you didn't know, Suraj Nair is a big fan of Newcastle. He was there when Alan Shearer tore up defenses and killed the entire league.
Yes.
Now we are going
I'm
back
a Newcastle
to
fan since second standard. Yeah.
second standard. Yes,
Yeah.
we'll
That's
not
how
discuss
It's a different story altogether, which we will discuss one day.
one day. Yes. So if you want to never hear about it, please subscribe.
Yes, do subscribe. Yes.
And
Okay.
please contribute to the UPI ID.
Array. Scammer.
Alright, so last team for today. Overall
FC.
points of 52, overall ranking of 2.4 million.
Yeah.
Sadly, I'll just share my screen also, by the way, so that I don't know how
Yeah.
that will impact the what do you
Stream.
call it? Yeah, recording. I am not sure, but it's not like I care. So yeah, for the rest of the show, is my screen visible? The most used dialogue of 2020.
Yes, your screen is visible. You
Am
are
I
Yes,
am
audible
I
as
yes,
well.
yes.
audible?
No, no, I
Yes.
can't see your screen. I can't see your screen.
Right. So you can fuck off.
Get a better internet connection, lads. So please, for this, contribute to the UPI ID in the description. He needs a better internet connection.
Pray for better internet 2020.
I guess the title of the video should be roasting Arvind for 50 minutes straight.
Yes. I completely agree with that.
Let's not keep the title of the video roasting Arvind. Let's move.
Yes, we will get even less views with your name on it.
Yeah, I know. Hey,
Right? Big Wave Movement, part 4. Coming back to Pranav's team, I see 2 Spurs player right there.
Acha,
Doherty
2.
and
Yeah.
I can see he's quite a gambler, right?
yes. He took Doherty when he is under Jose Mourinho. Jose Mourinho.
You told me that Jose Mourinho is going to use him for attack.
Yes, actually he tried that. Hey, I watched the game. He was very attacking and
For
Kane
for
also
a
passed him.
for a Mourinho's team, it
Yeah.
was very attacking. For every other team, it was pretty defensive.
The only reason why he bought Doherty was to get rid of Serge Aurier because he was so bad.
Endo Bill is laughing at all the Mourinho memes right now.
Yes, I just completed the documentary yesterday and so much banter. Very much recommended, but we won't put the description.
We will
because
review that. We will review that
Yes.
great thing on a separate video. So if you
Separate
never want to
video,
watch
yes.
it, please do subscribe. Shameless plug part 15. So somehow we managed to shit out some points via this player. I don't know who this is.
Muriel.
I've never seen this guy, but somehow he got me 15 points. So good, thank you. And yeah, Ings, sad. He's playing Tottenham next, and I need funds to get Kevin back. So no comments on my team at all.
I think he will score.
Yeah, I
Stephens started the game.
did he? Yeah, he did not.
Not.
What is the point of having the Brighton players? Like, are they even playing 11 players, or like, is anyone even playing for Brighton? Actually,
He was on the bench. Bernardo was not on the bench, I guess. Stevens was there. I was hoping at least he will do something, but he didn't even come on. So
yeah, I have no idea who Brighton is playing. So this is a big mistake.
Bernardo and
I paid
Stevens.
money for these players, by the way.
Last year we had a good. It's at 4.5, like Lord Lundstrom and Greenwood, etc., who used to punish us from the bench. Now we don't have any such player right now, till now.
Right.
So I have to wait
Yeah.
to discover such
So
player at 4.5.
I think I might use my transfer. So this week, this season especially, I can't be asked. I seriously can't. I gave up
Are
on
you
FPL.
When you didn't
Before,
get the mail,
yeah, especially when I didn't get the mail from Premier League saying I did well, because I ended up at overall 23,000. So piss off, Premier League. And I actually gave up before when the lockdown happened. I was like, that's it, done. I'm done with football. I'm done with FPL. But somehow I still managed
still
to
worked.
get
Also
something
did
out.
not take any hits,
Yeah, that was my one goal of last year.
which you managed very successfully. The year before that, you used to take hits and
Every
that
other
actually
week,
impacted the
yes.
team. Yes. That was something we used to compete on, who will take more hits. We used to do -4 almost every second week, and Last year you didn't do so, that's why you saved a lot of points. Sensible transfers as well. Sensible like the kit which we are seeing on the screen right now.
Yes.
No room for racism, guys. Hashtag no room for racism.
No
We
room for
support this
racism.
NDVR.
We will be putting BLM links down
Yeah.
there so that you can support to those. But
Yes.
please subscribe to us first.
Yes.
This is as important as stopping racism.
If you want to provide further support to the campaign, you can contribute to the UPI ID description.
This is also a t-shirt code, I guess. Then.
Okay. Anyway, so most likely
Transfer.
I might transfer Ings because I don't think Southampton will do anything in the next game.
8.5, right?
Yeah, he is 8.5. I think Ings will do good.
Jimenez. I think
because-
yes, Ings will do against Spurs.
Yeah, so Ings will not against Spurs, but overall, I think he will at least score 15 goals as long
15
as he's
goals minimum. Yes.
minimum. Yeah,
If he not gets injured.
yeah, on the condition that he does not get injured, and unlike someone I can see
Plays his first Premier League game,
Gets injured.
Gets injured.
so most
We have a very
likely
good coach.
since I can just show this here, I have 0 players who are going to play next week from the bench.
Same.
So
the only player who
I
has a
am
good
kind
bench
of
here is Arvind.
I'm kind of I have no comments on this guy. So I have no idea what is going to happen, and he's playing Liverpool for crying out loud. I should have paid more attention to the team, but again I don't give I don't give an Arvind to any of this. So
Did you just use me as a
the idea is not to
no.
use the word.
not to not get demonetized. We are using Arvind
Yeah,
in place of
that's
Eric
our
Rashford.
biggest goal of FPL.
yeah, sure. Let's
Not
do
to
that.
get
Let's all do that.
not to get demonetized. So yeah, again, I think I'll get rid of Ings, buy someone cheaper, then use that okay, that's
to transfers. I
let's
think
see.
Jimenez was a good pick, but he plays City next.
Yeah, Jimenez, the reason I didn't pick him is because his bad fixtures. Then from week 3, he'll be having good fixtures. So my idea, what I'm thinking is to have Sun for next week at least. Okay, great. So they have 2 good fixtures coming up, right?
2 good fixtures, but the third one will be difficult than the fourth one, I guess.
Yeah, most likely yes. Wilson
Most
is
likely, yeah. I am waiting to see Fraser. I don't think he started last game.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, he's starting in the EFL match against Blackburn Rovers.
Great. Well done, Fraser, for ruining your career. So I might actually get in DCL because he's having good fixtures,
Of course, he is also having a good fixture. Yeah.
and I might take a gamble on that. So
The main thing is,
if I take that
Everton players are
gamble,
getting-
if I take that gamble, I have enough money to sell Sun, but not get KDB.
KDB is also due for a price rise as well. Go above and selected by, sorted by.
So he's currently third, and this 11.5. So I need another million. Ideally, how my team would look is I would have Jimenez here instead of this prick. Right, then I will have enough points, money to get KDB.
KDB, yes.
Then I'll get
This
him
looks
here,
good.
and this is fine. And I
Liverpool
think
players
I'll
as
get
well.
rid of him. So if I have the option, I'll get rid of him.
4.5, you have a player called Justin from Leicester, which was in my friend's team called Gladiators FC.
Oh,
Yes.
Wow.
Justin was there in that team. So he got an assist for giving the penalty to
Tyreek Mitchell. So I think I need to watch some of these teams because Tyreek Mitchell is about 4 rated, 4 million, costing me
4
4
million.
million. Yeah, not 4.5,
great.
4 million,
This is good.
and he'll get us something.
Did he start?
Yeah, he's
He
played the
started
entire.
and got a clean sheet as well.
He played the entire
I
game.
guess Crystal Palace also have cheap players like Joel Ward as well. He didn't start much the last season, but 4.5 he started this time and he also gave a clean sheet as well. I think he will get that in sorted by points maybe.
Right. Reece James again scored a point, scored a goal, right? Along with scored a
was
goal
a-
as well as assist.
Assisted as well. That's
Nice.
good. And here the goal was great as well. The strikers weren't doing anything, so he just said, "We'll take this up."
As usual, the great legend that is Conor Cody.
I actually wanted him, but then I thought of Vinegar and decided that Vinegar is better. So I got scammed. So I scammed you as well.
Thank you.
Dan is 4.5.
4.5.
These are all new players, I guess. I haven't seen them before.
Yeah,
First,
Joe
this
Lord
is
is
last season.
last season's player.
Last season.
I think Crystal Palace will have to wait and see because they have a couple of difficult
Second
fixtures.
fixture is easy.
Yeah, easiest out of the 4 is the second fixture.
Second, their very first fixture of the season is
Yeah.
against United.
It is probably going to be a 0-0 draw.
Mostly, yes. Mostly it will be nil.
Yeah, anyways, so I think I'll watch Crystal Palace defense for at least 3 weeks if I'm taking this game seriously, and then probably from game week 5 I'll get one of these guys before like a price rise, which is I will probably get in Mitchell since he doesn't cost money, so that will again bring down. So at that time I'll have some money saved up, and right now I have -12 along with around 0.5 saved.
Click the
And
transfer button, man.
yeah, sure. So my transfers will go something like this. This week I will probably get rid of Ings. The week after that I'll probably get rid of Sun, and I still won't be able to buy De Bruyne. So it's kind of
It's spread.
Yeah.
Because they play goals. Yeah.
So that's kind of a waste to spend on De Bruyne. So what I'll do is I'll just get in Jimenez instead. So that Werner money, and then I'll have enough bank to get De Bruyne the next week.
Yes.
But once the
Considering
price,
the price rise,
once the price rise is done, that is also gone. So yeah, I hope Jimenez and DCL will get a price rise in the meantime, so I can afford De Bruyne. Once I get De Bruyne, then I'll go for Mitchell or the other way around. Whatever will get me both the players.
By the way, Calvert-Lewin may also get a price rise. Maybe he's 97%.
Okay, so that will confirm my transfer for this week. You can see it live.
Mitchell is also going to get a price rise. Almost tomorrow, maybe.
This is exactly why I take hits.
To be able to get in players before they
exactly. So I'll have to shithouse myself and get rid of Werner. So the worst thing that could happen is have Werner play and not get anything because he's playing against Liverpool. But then again, Liverpool will not keep a clean sheet. I can pretty much say that if they are keeping a clean sheet, then Trent will make sure that it does not happen.
Most probably, yes, that's what's gonna happen.
So I think I am doing my first gamble of the season.
Oh my goodness! Are you doing it live?
Yes, I am doing it live.
Oh my goodness!
I'm getting Calvert-Lewin instead of Ings. I feel Ings.
Next, Everton.
They are playing West Brom, so it's pretty safe.
That's good.
Pretty
safe,
safe,
yeah.
yeah. And he's a starting striker.
Starting
Somehow,
striker, yeah.
somehow
Yeah.
he's still a starting striker, and he costs 7 million when he has Richarlison to his left, uh, James Rodriguez right below him, and
Yes.
then Allen and whoever
Doucouré.
else, Dakure playing as probably as the holding
EMS, yeah.
one. Yeah, so that's a good team. I think Everton has the potential to, especially for like cheaper players. Everton, Crystal Palace, I believe they
Yes.
have enough. So I'm doing my transfer
First
live
transfer.
on screen. I hope this is not a mistake.
Or this will come back to haunt. Ings 2 goals next match.
Yeah, you have heard it here first. Ings will
Yes.
score about 15 goals tomorrow.
I have already transferred the Paytm money to him.
All right. So now that our teams are done, right, and we have spent about 1 hour discussing this. So what next?
Next
for
was
next week.
top 3 picks, which
I
I
think
guess which we have
we'll
kind of
just
discussed.
we'll just go through top 3 picks, right? Yeah, top 3 picks. So what do we go for? I think the player of the week by points has been Mohamed Salad.
Yes.
But
Salad has been-
somehow people have bought in De Bruyne more. Like highest top transfer player is.
Yes.
I don't understand why.
Imagine the scenes if he does not start tomorrow.
I have tomorrow. When
Or
is
as
it?
in,
Okay,
yeah.
next week. Okay. So I believe right. Man City won't be able to like shithouse a big win. It will be a
Yes.
close game,
1-0
and
something.
it will be not Kevin on the first game. Just not on the first
Mostly
game.
yes. I think
just
the
can't
people
wait.
who are-
Can't wait for the Rage transfers.
I am one of them, the De Bruyne guys. I think the people who are transferred in Willian are knee-jerking right now. I don't think he's a great pick because there's competition for that spot as well. And also
Their
fixtures
fixture
are not
is Arsenal. They are going to lose against West Ham, and then
West Ham.
they are going to draw against Liverpool, lose against Sheffield, and lose against City.
They'll win against City.
I don't
Because
think so.
Arteta knows, because Arteta knows everything about Pep. Without Arteta, Pep is nothing.
Yeah, he shit out an
Bruno
FA Cup
Fernandes.
final. Bruno
I think
again. United has a great fixture list. That's all that they have, which is great. Nothing about the team is
Everything.
great. Yeah, everything else is crap.
Everything else is Arvin.
I think Arvind is gone.
Did
We
you
have-
just did you just
No. Most of the transfers out are for Son. I guess it's Son to Kevin De Bruyne, like I did most. Werner also has been transferred out a lot.
mainly because he's injured.
For yes, I don't know for whom. Maybe Bamford, maybe Trent
Yeah.
Alexander-Arnold.
For obvious reasons.
Best part is Mane. Mane is in the negative 97 something, and the price dropped.
That's
I don't know why.
mainly because everyone has already seen that Salah is not going to pass.
Yes, he's not gonna pass.
He's
to
not
Mane.
going to. He's not going to pass. He's not going to share the penalties. He wants that Ballon d'Or,
Everything.
which Robert Lewandowski is going to keep in his house.
Yes. Gabriel, most of them have transferred in. But I am not very sure of the Arsenal
Okay.
defense.
Right. So top 3 players. So are we doing a top 3?
Top 3 in each position was written, but I don't think we have the facilities or the time for that right now.
I don't have the energy for that big man.
It's 11:30.
I don't think we have the facilities for that big man.
But
Please
that
insert
big man.
Please insert Big Shack
That
here if it is not copyrighted.
I don't think you have the facilities for that big man.
Star of the week, Salah. Flop of the week, Kai Havertz.
Kai Havertz.
Kai Havertz
Uh,
should
It's
be.
it's going to be.
I would like to nominate Van Dijk for the flop of the week.
He is also a good pick.
Very good choice. Very good choice.
Very good choice. Very rare, but
It irks me a lot, but then I have to. Yeah, so
Van Dijk
But
is
again-
rent-free in Erwin's mind. in
Yeah,
PES,
but
in
again-
football.
Kai Havertz
Kai
has
Havertz
been
is a
hyped
good
too
one.
much.
He is the same
betrayed-
price as Paul Pogba.
He betrayed Leverkusen.
Yes.
And it's coming. It's going to be a
coming.
very bad cancerous football Twitter coming this season.
Yes,
For
Twitter is
Chelsea
coming for
fans.
Chelsea. For each miss pass, for each miss, they are gonna get wrecked. I'm ready. I'm retweeting as well.
Right. So flop of the week, Kai Havertz. I don't know why, but I'll go with that idea. I would like to nominate Trent, but he got offside, so good for
Yeah.
him. Right.
What's next?
Top players in each position. I think one player each position we can pick out,
One player we
or
can-
players to look out for next
Game
couple
week.
of weeks. Yeah, couple of weeks at least.
I think for me, it would be Menace in forwards for sure. Second in midfield, I would say Rodriguez. Defense, I would say not Liverpool. Not Liverpool. I guess it should be someone cheap, like maybe someone from Leicester. Goalkeepers. Goalkeeper maybe Kasper Schmeichel has been a good pick for first week at least.
I think in the team of the week it is Vincent Gaita. He was very good against the
yeah, this was the
Southampton.
I mentioned about.
Yeah, he was the man of the match basically.
Saved a lot, I guess.
Yeah, he saved a lot. That's all save points plus clean sheet.
That's great. 10 points.
10 points. And I don't think he costs more than 5. Yeah,
Five,
he
not
costs he costs for 5 minutes. That's what you expect from Vincent Gaita. So that's I think Crystal Palace might be a shout. Everton is a good shout, but again they have played one game against Tottenham, so they have
We
good
shouldn't consider
fixtures.
that.
Yeah, that's like a free hit.
Great.
Yeah, Newcastle is also a good chance. They have a good chance to be a surprise because you see this year you will see Sheffield United players with a price inflation. All the other good teams, Chelsea, Liverpool, City, United, Arsenal, everyone has a inflated price for all their players.
Yes.
So you will
Little
have
bit
to
cheap.
look out. Yeah, you will always have to look out for some players, which is going to be that differential. Firstly, secondly, you'll have to balance the squad. Last year it was Sheffield United. This year, I mean, again, Wolves was also there last year.
Also, yeah.
I had this guy Size in my team. He was 4.5 last year. He's 5 this year, and I might bring him in. I'll keep one Wolves defender. And everyone should keep at least one Wolves
Yes.
defender in their
Yes.
team.
Yes.
If it's not Doherty. So, yeah, I think so. Every year you'll have to find out one or the other team which you can focus on. So I think Everton, then Newcastle and Crystal Palace. They will have a. I think they will see a lot of price rise and maybe cheaper players you can focus on. So that's the
Makes sense.
teams plus / players to look out for in the coming weeks. Right. Anything
Makes
anything
sense.
else? Anything else? We're going to the meaty part of the week, I believe. Or what's next in the table? Oh, great supreme leader.
Next. Rant section. I don't think we have any topic.
I think
Yes,
I
yes,
have
sir.
the greatest topic. which is idiots who manage to get 100 plus points somehow. How do you manage to get 142 with
Breaking news, guys.
triple
Breaking
captain Salah?
Breaking news: Tottenham have made an official bid to Real Madrid for Sergio Reguilon.
Have
Oh my
they?
goodness. Yes.
Wow.
Fabrizio Romano has.
So Raghuram is gone. Manchester United has done it again. They have managed
That
to
was the
shit
only
house.
one player I think we were going to sign before the deadline. Now Tottenham is coming.
Jose Mourinho, as usual, wants to shit
Yes.
house Manchester United. Well done to you. Great work.
Jose Mourinho tactical masterclass.
Mourinho is already playing mind games.
Yes.
It's been 1 week and he's already playing mind games. Like there's no other legend like this. And again, 142 points. Who the heck puts out triple captain on day one? Like you must have immense pair of balls to do that.
Yes.
Or like zero interest in life. I think he has zero interest in life because he is basically showing us his TikTok. So yeah, that I will take option 2.
I think he's from Norway or Sweden. I guess Norway. I
This
guess.
is Denmark.
Denmark. Yes. Denmark.
This is Denmark.
Baltic states.
What Baltic state is this? So, please save me. Save me from the insults. I'll just Google Denmark for the sake of it.
Yes. Yes,
Nahi,
Denmark
it's blue.
Oh, it's blue.
Fuck's
Like
sake.
Norway. I feel it's Norway.
Norway is okay.
Yes,
It's Norway.
it is. Because Norway has a very good
Yay.
list of
Yeah,
players.
a lot of people from Norway play FPL. So this guy, no wonder he's from Norway.
And best part is also Leeds United.
Nah, great. Well done, well done. guys.
Very well done. Very well
Well
done.
done. I think there's one guy who hasn't used a triple card, and he's manager of the week by 129 points. Again, whoever you are, I just hope that your life is hell. I
hope you watch this video and make your life is miserable.
Yeah, I hope you watch this entire video and give us money so that we can donate to charity.
Yes, Black Lives Matter.
You
Yes.
can use the UPI ID given in the description.
Yeah, if you want to waste money, you can give it. This is basically
dialogue. Arvind is saying.
that's his only contribution. Basically, this video is just him plugging his UPI, which we are not going to put in the description anyway.
I will put mine instead.
Alright. So before we wrap up, I would like the greatest section of this
Section.
series
Yes.
is Jose Mourinho's wisdom of the week.
I didn't like my team. I didn't like that so many referees on the pitch, on the touchline, and in front of the screen allow a free kick to be taken 5 or 6 meters in front, which creates a totally different angle of cross and a totally different angle to a press, to attack the ball and to put the defensive zone line. In the second half, after that goal, we were poor. We were not, in my opinion, physically strong. No intensity. The team lacks in this moment in many players physical condition, and they were closer to score the second goal than we were to
Like my team. That's a message. That's a message we should all take to our hearts. I didn't like my team.
Another quote from the.
You know what that means is he didn't like his team. That means he loves it. Which also means he likes it now.
Yes. I've also shared another good quote from the Game Week in our chat. That's from.
Yeah, this is honorable mention for Timo Werner, which is I have never played against three defenders like this. We can put the other things out of context. So again, this boy went and injured himself in the first game week. I
That
think
was very
that's
Brighton.
a big L in itself, and
Yeah,
I
big
would
L.
like to promote this guy to flop of the week, even though he got me 5 points.
That too from penalty. That Jorginho copied from Bruno Fernandes.
All right, I think that's enough for the day, for the week, and hopefully for the rest of the season. I'm tired. I can't wait for Manchester United to come back and get all the penalties from VAR. So that I
Yes.
think there's like a quota that VAR has to give. And
Yes.
when United play, it's all given to them. Now, since they are not playing, they have to give it to someone else, and they give it
Someone
to
else, yeah.
all the other shithouse teams.
I
Probably they
think
had a auction for it.
Ole must be smiling, looking at all the penalties. Saying like
Bruno must
next
be
season, next
crying.
week. Bruno must be saying it should have been me, but no worries. Next week.
Having a penalty taker in the team is something we should consider. I think that's the question of the
Yes.
day, right? So
Yes.
having a having a player take a penalty, like what is your opinion on it? Because it's a double-edged sword, and every time my player, especially FPL team player, takes the penalty, I'm like, that's it, I'm done. Usually they go and bottle it, but Bruno has been consistent. I am going to jinx it now. Bruno has been consistently putting it away and somehow getting me points last season. And like, I hate my players taking penalty. I love my players diving and getting the penalty because that gives me assist points. I don't want the goal points. You can keep it with you. I don't give a Arvind.
Arvin.
Yeah.
If one good thing I guess the FPL has done right now is if you go to the scout tab
Scout.
and there's a, yes, below yeah,
Right.
there's a
Okay.
set piece tab.
Okay.
It pages. You can see each
Who are
team
the okay set
penalty
picks?
takers. Yeah, that's
Right.
great. You can. So if you go to Manchester United, you will see something great. They just copy pasted it. Almost.
Why is there Pereira in this list?
Fernandez has. I don't.
He's not going to play, man.
He's not gonna play.
Luke Shaw will take one free kick or corner and then he'll get injured. And
Mostly.
sadly, Jesse Lingard, even though we all love him, he is one of the greatest players of all time. He was one of the greatest players in 2017-18 season when I had him for December, and he scored me all the goals of that month. But he was too good for Premier League, and Mohamed Salah went to his house and threatened him not to play again, so that he doesn't get the limelight. So yeah, this is a nice feature.
This is something nice. There's an availability section as well. where you
It was
can
already
check.
there, useless.
Yeah.
This
I
is
just
scam.
made it. Best part is I actually transferred in Pulisic. I told my
Pulisic
friend.
unknown.
I told my friend to transfer in Pulisic and he did. And I
Right.
don't know why it was done, but I scammed him as well.
Yeah, so Suraj, there is one question that I have to ask you. Is he still your friend?
I don't know actually. After that, I don't know actually. He's currently 5th in the table. He has 51 points.
So basically he's doing better than me. So I guess
Yes, that's
that
a cue
might be
for
good to
you.
go on mute once again. Yeah.
So he had Pulisic, he had Douglas, he had Vinagar, and he also had Egan. So that's 4 people who got 0 points for his team, and still he got 51 points.
Great.
Great.
Good job.
Great
Good
banter.
job.
Great banter.
I think that's the cue. That's more than enough for me to close this video.
Yes, what's the time, recording time this time?
I think it's 1 hour. I'll cut it
Uh,
down to 45, 35 minutes
30,
probably.
45.
Probably.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
think the time matters though. It's not like anyone's going to watch it anyway.
Yes, they must have clicked off after the intro. But in case
In
if
case
they
you're
reach to
still
here,
watching,
yeah,
thank you.
we have respect in our minds that you have survived till now.
Not in our
And-
hearts, but only in our
yes.
minds, because we are
And
already
I
sleeping.
think you might be very much tempted to use the affiliate links on our bio or the description. So go forward, use the news. Hashtag use the news, yeah.
But again, the question remains. So, if what do you feel about your penalty takers in your
think-
FPL team? So, if you can answer it, but you know, it's mainly for people who are watching, if any, and you can also answer it. If I have already answered my pain, what about you?
I think I actually wanted Son to Bruno Fernandes. That was my first answer. I don't know why I did KDB, but I think you should, especially after VAR. I think you must have a penalty taker because most of the times there. For the example, if you see the first game week itself, there are a lot of penalties involved, and Salah scored 2, Vardy scored 2. So that's a cue that you must have a penalty taker. And for example, a team like United, I know it would be Fernandes. Before Fernandes came, I don't know who it would take. I guess sometimes Rashford would have taken it.
Yeah, everyone
Like,
will take just a miss.
yes, just a miss. Pogba with his epic run. So
Epic walk.
epic walk.
Yeah,
And-
please don't get me started on that. Please don't.
That is only contribution to this section of the video.
Yes.
Congrats.
Claps. He said something except the UPI ID thing.
I think that deserves a subscribe. Please subscribe to
That
this
is,
channel.
yes.
Right.
Subscribe. There's a red button. We have said enough shamelessly, so I think you must do it.
Yes. If you don't feel like doing it, you can always click on the affiliate link.
Yes, that will help more than enough.
So what about Arvind? Do you have anything to say on this question or? All right, that's enough. Very good. Well done, guys. What a great contribution. Great thoughts. Great ideas flowing around.
Only the members of the stream would hear that.
Yeah,
Not
if,
regular
only if
subscribers.
only if you have subscribed to the channel.
That's members only content.
Yeah.
Members only. To unlock it, you have to join the channel.
Yeah.
Once that feature is available, yes, definitely.
Yes, definitely. So an experimental game week ends, and we look forward to the next game week this Saturday.
don't,
with
I
lot of
don't.
good games.
I don't. I really don't look
I
forward.
hope we don't use the affiliate link.
I think the game I'm looking forward to is City versus
City
Wolves.
versus Wolves.
And
Yes,
United,
definitely that.
obviously, just
United,
for
obviously.
pain. I just want
Just
more
for the
pain.
band.
I don't want the band. I just want the pain. I'm just waiting which shithouse kit they are going to wear.
Yeah, I think it will be the red one, yes. The basket one, yeah.
Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in.
Thank you.
If you have, if you haven't,
Yes.
you can piss off. If you're still here,
Thanks,
thanks again for watching this video with us. Because we don't watch it anyways. Only Suraj watched it because he's
Yes.
forced to.
Yeah, I have to put the timestamps right, so that's another
Yeah.
pain.
So
Something-
unfortunately, we'll be back with another episode of whatever we are doing right now.
Yes.
Probably in the next week.
I hope you are
So-
alive by then.
Yeah. So okay. So
That was dark.
very dark. So I
Take care, lads. Good night. Bye.
Follow us on our Instagram page.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Answer the questions if you can.
and do contribute to the UPI ID. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
no,
fake
that's-
UPI ID. Yes, definitely.